Assalamu alaikum everyone. Just on my way to read my Eid namaz. It's Eid Adha, which is the Qurbani Eid. We call it the Big Eid. And I'm just on my way to Ghamkol Sharif Masjid, which is in Birmingham, Small Heath. Now this is the same mosque I went to as a child, and it's an honor today to be bringing my grandson here as well. So Eid namaz all read and done, but I simply cannot go away from here without paying my respects to the great Sufi Abdullah Sahib and of course Sufi Javaid. Now they were my first ustads for hifaz. I did do hifaz at this masjid Ghamkol Sharif years and years ago. So I'm here to recite some Fatiha for them and pay my respects.